Hello guys, in this video I'm going to explain about the tests on the stones, how the different tests are conducted on the stones to check whether the stone is hard or durable and it is suitable for the constructions of the building. There are so many tests, so let us study one by one in detail. Different kinds of tests are listed here. First one is the acid test, second one attriation test, absorption test, Brad's test, crushing strength test, crystallization test, freezing and thawing test, hardness test, impact test, microscopic test, and Smith's test, and specific gravity test, and last one is the durability test. In that, first one is the acid test. Acid test is used to investigate how much atmospheric action can be resisted by a stone. In this test, 100 grams of stones in a chipped form are taken in a 5% solution of hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid. After 3 days, stones in a chipped form are taken out and dried. If the edges of the stones are sharp as earlier, it indicates that stones can resist the weathering action. Next kind of test is the attriation test. Attriation test is carried out to test the resistance to abrasion, that is ability to withstand the grinding action of stones. This test is carried out in a attriation test machine. This test is quite interesting. Here attriation test specimen of the stones is weighed. Okay, then the stones are transferred to the drum and drum is inclined to 30 degree to the horizontal. Then the stones are revolved at 2000 revolution per hour for 5 hours. After this, the stones are sieved on a 2 sieve. Stones retained on the sieve are weighed, that is W2, and the losses in the weight percentage gives the percentage of wear. Next kind of test is the water absorption test. In this test, 50 grams of stones in a chipped forms are placed in an oven at 105 degrees Celsius for 3 hours, then cooled at a room temperature. Weight of the stone is then taken as W1. Then the stones are placed in a distilled water for 3 days. After 3 days, the weight of the stone is taken as W2. The percentage of the water absorption should not exceed 15%. Otherwise, the stone is not suitable for the construction. The next kind of test is the Smith's test. So this test is used for finding out the presence of soluble matter in the stones. Okay, in this test, a few samples of stones are placed in a glass of or a test tube filled with a clean water. Stones are kept in a water for 1 hour. After this, the glass or the test tube is vigorously shaken. Due to the presence of earthy materials and a clay, impurities water is converted to dirty water. Slightly cloudiness of the water will prove that the stones are good and durable. If the water becomes too dirty, it indicates that stone contains too much of soluble impurities and it is not suitable for the construction. Remaining tests we will study in our next video. Please do subscribe our channel so that you can learn all the tests in a very easy way. Attending these kinds of the tests will surely going to help you for any of the competitive exams. Thank you.